children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 39 Wren and Martin हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक. चैप्टर है 5 मोर अबाउट नाउन क्लॉजेस. यहाँ पर आपको नाउन क्लॉज पॉइंट आउट करना है और ये बताना है कि क्या ये सब्जेक्ट है किसी वर्ब का, ऑब्जेक्ट है किसी वर्ब का, कॉम्प्लीमेंट है किसी वर्ब का, या एपोजिशन में है नाउन या प्रोनाउन के, या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट है सेम प्रपोजिशन का. तो पहला सेंटेंस है टेल मी हाउ यू फाउंड दैट आउट. हाउ यू फाउंड दैट आउट. ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब टेल. That he will succeed is certain. That he will succeed. Subject of the verb I think you have made a mistake. That you have made a mistake. Object of the verb think. She says her mother is ill. She says that her mother is ill. Object of the verb says. How long I shall stay here is doubtful. How long I shall stay here. Subject of the verb is. That he had come. Object of the verb did not know. It is clear that he was guilty. That he was guilty. Put in apposition to the pronoun it. I do not understand how it all happened. How it all happened. Object of the verb do not understand. Can you tell who wrote Shakuntala? Who wrote Shakuntala? Object of the verb can tell. All depends on how it is done. How it is done. Object of the preposition on. Do you deny that you stole the purse? That you stole the purse. Object of the verb to deny. The law will punish whosoever is guilty. Whosoever is guilty. Object of the verb will punish. I think I know your face. I think that I know your face. Object of the verb think. Ask if dinner is ready. If dinner is ready. Object of the verb ask. The report that he was killed is untrue. That he was killed. Put in apposition to the noun report. He was very hopeful that he would succeed. That he would succeed. Connected with the adjective hopeful. Do whatever you think right. Whatever you think right. Object of the verb do. I don't see how you can get out of this mess. How can you get out of this mess? Object of the verb don't see. Do you know when the train will arrive? When the train will arrive. Object of the verb do know. Whoever came was made welcome. Whoever came. Subject of the verb was. I understand. You want a situation. You want a situation. Object of the verb understand. My verdict is that the prisoners shall die. That the prisoners shall die. Complement of the verb is. I cannot express how sorry I am. How sorry I am. Object of the verb cannot express. They guessed what he meant. What he meant. Object of the verb guessed. I am afraid that she will be angry. That she will be angry connected with the adjective afraid. Will you explain why you behaved so? Why you behaved so? Object of the verb will explain. No one can tell how this will end. How this will end. Object of the verb can tell. The truth is that we have been deceived. That we have been deceived. Complement of the verb is. It is not clear who has done this. Who has done this? Put in apposition to the pronoun it. I do not know how I can deal with this rascal. How I can deal with this rascal. Object of the verb do not know. I did not know whether I should laugh or cry. Whether I should laugh or cry. Object of the verb did not know. We are desirous that we should succeed. That you should succeed connected with the adjective desirous. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 13-9। आपको सही लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। देते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज पे।